Hi everybody, welcome to PSLE Problem Sum series. Today we are here to go through algebra techniques necessary for going through problems like that involve using units and parts. So what are units and parts? Alright, it's actually a concept used to solve higher difficulty problem sum in the PSLE maths exam. Okay, for example, ratio type questions, where everything changes. Or you have a question that is so difficult and complex that you cannot effectively draw models. Either there's too many boxes you need to draw, or you just can't effectively visualize the problem, using a model method. And you just can't think of anything else to use. So we had used this method, which is actually ratio and is everything change, but we will need to involve units and parts. Okay, but if you are using units and parts, you cannot escape from solving a simple algebraic equation towards the end, because that will be what you always get, and you need to solve it in order to get your answer. Okay, and you will look something like this or this. Now it seems like a monster, but it's actually quite easy to solve, especially if you're a secondary school student. But if you're a primary 6 student and you just started to learn algebra, this can be quite intimidating. So here we are today to help you understand how to do this easily. Alright, so now let's take this as an example. 7u minus 20 equal 10u minus 38. Now, there's one rule of thumb law that I want you to understand, to remember and always use this, is what you do on the left, you do on the right. Okay, that means if on the equation there's an equal sign, see? Okay, what we do on the left, we will do the same thing on the right. And the equal sign will always be correct. So first, I want to get rid of the minus 38. Okay, so I plus 38 on the right side, so the minus 30 will disappear. So I must do the same thing on the left. So 7u minus 20 is plus 38 equal 10u minus 38 plus 30. So next, minus 20 plus 30, I will get plus 18. And on the right side, you see that both 38 will disappear because they cancel each other out. Same thing, 7u and 10u. Now, I would recommend that you minus 7u. That means you try to get rid of the 7u instead of the 10u. Because if you try to get rid of the 10u, you need to minus 10u. And you have a situation where you have 7u minus 10u. You end up with a negative 3u. Alright, a negative number I would recommend, because you will not do that, because you're not so familiar with negative numbers, especially students, because you are by right, you're only supposed to learn in Sec 1. So try not to do that. So let's try to get rid of 7u. You minus 7u both sides. Okay, and then we continue. 7u on the left side will disappear. You get 18. Right side, 10u minus 7u, you get 3u. Now, if you're uncomfortable looking at 18 minus equal 3u, you switch it. Okay, it's okay because it's equal. And then you get 1u equal 6. Alright, let's try another question. 18u plus 108 equal to 25u plus 80. Now, you might want to stop the video and try on your own using the previous technique. Alright, we're back. So now, let's try this. Okay, whatever you do on the left, you do on the right. So first, we try to get rid of the 80. Alright, both sides we do the same. So we have 18u plus 28 because it's a result of 108 minus 80. And the right side, the 80 disappears, left only 25u. Same thing. Again, my recommendation is we try not to get rid of the 25, we try to get rid of the 18 because we do not want negative numbers. So minus 18u both sides. 28 equal 7u. Same, if you're uncomfortable with this, switch it around. And you get 1u equal 4. Did you get the correct answer?